The Daylily Recipe by Teresa Clividence, illustrated by Travis Schaefer. People need food. People can make food with a recipe. A recipe lists the ingredients and directions needed to make the food. Plants need food too. Plants cannot make food the way people make food, but plants have a recipe for making their own food. Plants have a recipe called photosynthesis. The recipe has 3 ingredients: carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water. Randy bought a daylily plant at the greenhouse. He knows that the daylily will grow if it gets the right ingredients. Randy digs a hole and plants the daylily in his flower bed. The daylily has long, thin roots. The roots get the water for the recipe. The daylily will need the water to make its food. The daylily has long, thin leaves that grow out of the crown stem above the roots. The leaves have tiny holes that collect air. The air has carbon dioxide in it. The leaves need the carbon dioxide for the recipe. The leaves also collect light energy from the sun for the recipe. Now the daylily has all of the ingredients to make its own food. A change happens. The ingredients change into sugar and oxygen. The plant then uses the sugar as food. It shares the oxygen with us. We need the oxygen to breathe. The recipe for the daylily is called photosynthesis. Randy's daylily has made its own food through photosynthesis. Now the daylily has made beautiful yellow flowers. The recipe was a success. The end.